Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorial how to take a live photo on your iPhone as well as how to edit it. So first thing we have to do is just go open the camera. So there will be two ways to open the camera. You can slide your upper right screen into down side until you have an access into the shortcuts. There will be appear the camera here if you put the shortcut a camera, or you can also slide your screen into the left side until you found a library, and you can just find out camera by tap in the search button a camera. Okay, and after you find it, just need to click it, and now you have an access to create a or to take the photo, videos, and many more. And now to activate the live photo, you just need to go click this button, and there will be appear several options down here, and the live photo will be symbolized by this. You just need to click this and go click on, and now you have a live photos activate on your camera. And now you just need to take a picture by click the button, and you can also do the small move. Let's do it. Okay, so now let's have an access. Is it work? And now you just need to click and hold the screen or the pictures, and you can see here the photo is moving. And how to edit it, you just need to go back and let's access the photos by go click the photos, and after that go click the result of our photo today, live photos. And how to edit it, you just need to go click edit, and now you can edit the exposure and many more to make it have a better quality. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click done. So if you want to editing about the style of this live photos, you can see it move like smoothly. If you want to editing regarding to the move, you just need to go click this button, and you can choose which move that you want to add to your live photos. Okay, that's going loop. And what about the punch? Okay, you can just choose the things that probably you want to add into your life. And after you're done, you just need to go click back, and now you're done. So that's all the way how to take and edit a live photos on your iPhone. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.